In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send behalf of an Outlook. This is perfect when you need to draft and send an email for someone else, while making it clear it's coming from you on their behalf. There are two parts to this. First, the mailbox owner grants permission, and second, the delegate composes and sends the message using the correct from address. I'll walk you through both the classic Outlook experience and the new Outlook or web version so you are covered either way. Let's start with the owner's task in classic Outlook. The mailbox owner opens Outlook, goes to File, then Account Settings and chooses Delegate Access. In the window that opens, click Add. Search for the person who should send on your behalf, select them and confirm with Add. Then OK. You'll see the Delegate Permissions dialog. This is where you control access to individual folders. If the delegate only needs to send mail and doesn't need to open your folders, set those folder permissions to none. When you are satisfied with the access level, click OK to save. That's all that's required on the owner side. Now, sending in classic Outlook as the delegate is straightforward. Open a new message by clicking New Email. You'll see a From button near the To field. Click From and pick the mailbox owner's address from the drop-down list. If you don't see it listed, choose Other Email Address and type the owner's address manually. Then confirm. Compose your message as usual, add your recipients and subject, and click Send. When the message arrives, the recipient will see that it was sent as delegate name on behalf of owner name, which clearly communicates who wrote it and whose mailbox it represents. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the process to send is very similar. Start a new message by selecting New Email or New Mail. If the From line isn't visible, go to the Options tab and click Show From. So the field appears. Next, click the From button. Choose the owner's address from the drop-down. If it's not there yet, select Other Email Address and enter it manually. Finish composing your message. Then send. The recipient will see the same on behalf of format. Confirming the correct delegation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.